Alright, so I'm gonna keep it 100 right here. So my first machine that I ever got was an embroidery machine because I went to this hat store one day to get my name stitched in one of my Scully hats that I brought from a different store. And when I went in the store to give him the 5 hats I wanted to get done, he started setting up the machine and everything right in front of me. And the first hat he stitched my name on, he wound up stitching my name upside down. And it was a brand new store that was, opened up in my neighborhood. It was a Chinese guy actually running the store. He was in the hood, obviously, but I asked him, I'm thinking to myself, like, well, how the hell this dude got this store and he don't even know how to even use the machine, bro? Like, he stitched my name on my hat upside down. That was puzzling me. So I'm just like, you know what? I'm like, yo, bro, I ain't even gonna front. How much that machine cost? Then he told me it was too much. I'm like, what? I'm like, this boy don't even know who I am or nothing. But anyway, I looked at the name of the machine, looked on the side of the machine and everything, got the name and all that. And then I just Googled it, and I came up with a search result of, a used machine. So I wound up buying it, drove all the way to Long Island, picked it up from some, store that was out there, brought it back to the hood. And this is me here messing around with it, trying to figure things out, because, I ain't had nobody, I ain't go to school for this, none of that. I was on YouTube and Google researching and all that, trying to figure these stuff out. So this is me just messing around with a little bit of knowledge that I did figure out. And as you can see, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying. And I'm kept going, kept trying to figure things out. And that's basically what's going on right here, what y'all looking at. Is me, trying to learn how to stitch, trying to teach myself how to, stitch clothing, because I'm on a type time where I'm trying to make hoodies and jackets and like varsity jackets, and I'm trying to go in. I'm trying to stitch baseball caps and beanie hats and all. I'm trying to do it all. So this is me, like I said, trying to figure it out. And this machine was old. This is a 1998. And during this time when I bought the machine, it was like 2000 and this was like 2013, 14, maybe even later than that. It was probably like, it had to have been like 2017 or 18, something like that. Something crazy number. I can't remember, but yeah, this is me trying to do what trying to figure it out on my own, man. Like do it yourself. This is the type of video I'm showing you what I was doing. And then, I wound up finding somebody to help me learn how to do it. That guy was all the way in Virginia. So I had to travel to Virginia to get some type of teaching going on. So this is what's going on. But yeah, I've just had, regular material, it was like a scarf or something or whatever, like a bandana. And I just threw that in a little wooden joint that I got. And I just kept going, trying to figure it out.